For Japan, no, we're very happy that the visa of the entire contingent has been released already. So at least ready to go na sila. In fact, after this press con, there will be a briefing with the participants natin sa mga bata, no, on the do's and don'ts, no, when they travel, so that they are prepared, no, when they arrive at Japan.
After this?
Yes, right after this. It's very important that they are prepared because they will be representing the country. And for Independence Day, in fact, last night, no, we visited with Direk Eric and Direk Albert and Bang Lea Lara of My Center. We saw na, I think, 95% of what they're gonna perform on June 12. So, ang aton mga artist ito, ginahabol man nga tapos ang mga costumes, props, and sets na that they will be bringing. So by June 8, they will be leaving Iloilo and they will arrive in Manila on June 9 para maka-settle sila dito, no, in their accommodation, and then they will have a blocking in Manila on June 11, and the performance schedule is June 12 at 8 in the morning. So it's like dinagyang. So 8 in the morning. Ang ila performance time is 5 minutes, 5 judging areas. So the first judging area is Kilometer Zero Rizal Park. Then progressive na sila, they will do street dance. Parehas gid sa dinagyang, no? May mga stopovers where they will perform. And then the last performance area is CCP. No? So, muna siyang ginahandaan sa aton mga tribes, no? In fact, kahapon, nag-meet man kami with Tribo Panay to align, no, the preparations in terms of logistics, because it's not really that easy, no, to bring 300 plus people to Metro Manila. And so we're very grateful to Fort San Pedro National High School, to the artistic team, kay tanan, no, nakabinilagay despite the challenges in terms of resources and time, no? Kaya before Aliwan, we used to prepare for 2 to 3 months. This time, it's less than a month, no? But we trust our artists, no? And we're very grateful to Direk Eric and Direk Albert. So Sir Albert has been here since early May, to oversee the preparations of both tribes, no? To assist them with their artistic direction. So sila ginagawa ni Sir Eric, no? Very, very helpful again to both our tribes. So that's it, no? By June 2, in fact, during the flag ceremony, they will be presented, no, to sa city naton, and they will attend a mass at 7 o'clock in the morning. So we will ask the guidance and the blessings of our dear Santo Niño nga mangintayo yan lang, no? At the end of the day, ang luyag lang naton nga maging safe man ang aton nga mga delegates, no, for both travels. And we hope, no, they will perform, no, their best. While we know that they are really, really good in their craft, at the end of the day, we need to pray, no, to ask for guidance sa amon biyahe. And I think Sir Eric has a very, very good message, no? Grasya initanan sa aton. This is all grace, no? Despite the challenges and the difficulties that we're facing, no?